world of Bitcoin, the most popular and valuable cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin has had a wild ride over the last decade, with its value skyrocketing and plummeting, and it's been a topic of much debate and discussion. But despite the volatility, Bitcoin has managed to establish itself as a legitimate form of currency and has sparked a new era of innovation in the world of finance. In this video, we're going to explore the history of Bitcoin, how it works, and what the future may hold for this digital currency. What is Bitcoin? Before we dive into the history of Bitcoin, let's first define what it is. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a middleman such as a bank. It operates on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions on the network. Bitcoin transactions are verified by a network of users known as miners who use powerful computer systems to solve complex mathematical problems. When a miner successfully verifies a transaction, they are rewarded with a small amount of Bitcoin. The birth of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was first introduced in 2009 by an unknown individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The initial white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published online and outlined the principles of the currency and the technology behind it. In the white paper, Nakamoto described Bitcoin as a system for electronic transactions without relying on trust. At the time, the idea of a decentralized digital currency was relatively new, and many people dismissed Bitcoin as a niche curiosity. However, a small group of tech enthusiasts and libertarians saw the potential in Bitcoin and started to mine and trade the currency. The early days. In the early days, Bitcoin was mostly used by tech enthusiasts and libertarians who saw it as a way to bypass government control and traditional financial institutions. Transactions were primarily conducted on online forums and were relatively small in scale. The value of Bitcoin was also relatively low, with one Bitcoin trading for just a few cents. However, as more and more people started to take notice of Bitcoin, it began to attract mainstream attention. In 2011, the value of Bitcoin started to rise, and by 2013, it had reached $1,000 per coin. This rapid increase in value attracted a lot of attention, and more people started to invest in Bitcoin. The rise to fame. Over the next few years, the value of Bitcoin continued to soar, reaching an all-time high of $20,000 in December 2017. This sudden increase in value attracted a lot of attention from investors, and it quickly became one of the most popular assets in the world. The popularity of Bitcoin also led to the creation of other digital currencies, such as Ethereum and Litecoin, which operate on similar principles. These new currencies, known as altcoins, sparked a new era of innovation in the world of finance and led to the creation of new blockchain-based projects and applications. Criticism and controversy. Despite its growing popularity, Bitcoin has faced its fair share of criticism. Some experts have called it a bubble that is bound to burst, while others see it as the future of money. Critics have also raised concerns about the energy consumption of the Bitcoin network, which is estimated to be on par with that of small countries. Bitcoin has also been associated with illegal activities, such as money laundering and drug trafficking, due to its anonymous nature. However, it is worth noting that these issues are not unique to Bitcoin, and traditional financial systems have their fair share of illicit activities as well. In fact, many argue that the transparency and immutability of the blockchain can actually make it easier for law enforcement to track down illegal activity. Another major concern is the lack of regulation around Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Some argue that this lack of oversight could lead to fraud and manipulation, while others see it as a key feature that allows for greater freedom and innovation. The future of Bitcoin. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? It's hard to say for sure, as the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and can change rapidly. However, despite the ups and downs, Bitcoin has managed to establish itself as a legitimate form of currency and has sparked a new era of innovation in the world of finance. Many experts believe that the technology behind Bitcoin, blockchain, has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from finance and banking to supply chain management and healthcare. And as more and more businesses and institutions start to adopt blockchain technology, the demand for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is likely to increase. In conclusion, Bitcoin's rise to fame has been nothing short of remarkable. From a niche curiosity to a global phenomenon, it has disrupted the traditional financial system and has sparked a new era of innovation in the world of finance. It's a topic that's sure to continue to generate debate and discussion, but one thing is certain: Bitcoin has made its mark and is here to stay. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video on the history and future of Bitcoin. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest trends in finance and technology. As always, please remember to do your own research before making any investment decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.